Hi, welcome to Finance Master channel. Today we will discuss 14 rules of money from Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Pay yourself first. Secure your future before anything else. Learn to invest. Let money grow while you sleep.
Don't be a hater of it. Respect money to attract more. Give every dollar a job. Make your money work for you. Spend less than you earn. Wealth starts with discipline.
Have a plan and set goals. Direction gives purpose to money. Keep your finances organized. Clarity leads to success.
Money is your tool. Control it. Don't let it control you. It's a game. Learn how it works. Money rewards players who know the rules. Always have an emergency fund. Protection gives freedom. Always make money work for you. Build assets, not just paychecks. Learn how to make money passive. Financial freedom comes from passive income.
Use it to solve problems in the world. Money creates impact when used wisely. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. Saving and investing matter most.